How to use McAfee Malware Cleaner to remove virus on Windows. Here are the steps on how to use McAfee Malware Cleaner to remove a virus. 1. Download and install McAfee Malware Cleaner at https://download.mcafee.com/iss-loc/support tool/mmc/McAfee_malware_cleaner.exe. 2. Open McAfee Malware Cleaner. 3. Click Scan. 4. Wait for the scan to complete. 5. Review the scan results. 6. Select the threads you want to remove. 7. Click Remove. 8. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. Note asterisk: if you are having trouble removing a virus using McAfee Malware Cleaner, you can contact McAfee support for assistance.